Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a recent data from similar devices show that this app might stop working on your device and how to fix the problem. So let's try open, for example, you get these issues. A recent data from similar devices show that this app might stop and so on. So to fix it, you can try to clear the cache of your Play Store. You can hold the Play Store and try to tap the storage usage and clear cache and also clear data. You can relog in, and also this can be occur if your devices has a no more space on your storage. You can clear up storage, you can clean your storage, you can tap it and try to clean up to free up some space. If the problem still occur, it means the app doesn't support on your phone. It can be like this: your device is not compatible with this version. Usually this problem is occur if you want to install a application that have a high demand with RAM or GPU, such as Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. This is a mobile game that a demand of your high-end smartphone. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.